Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. This is an important update video regarding the Runcam Eagle 3 FPV camera, which I've recently featured in 2 videos. Based on these videos, many of you commented that the quality of the camera is not good, and in addition, Bob aka Kebab FPV left a comment mentioning that his experience using this camera was much better than shown in the videos. Since the last thing that I want to do is to misrepresent the product in my review, I've decided to conduct another test in which I connected the Runcam Phoenix 2 and Eagle 3 FPV cameras directly to Fetchak HDO2 goggles and recorded their FPV feed both using the goggles DVR and by capturing externally the screens of the HDO2 using 2 Foxeal 2 cameras. After reviewing the results of my test, I can tell you that the actual quality of the Eagle 3 camera is great and much better than shown in the previous videos, which I'm now going to enlist and only keep for reference. And in case you don't care about latency, this is probably one of the best FPV cameras that you can currently get. As far as I can tell, the problem relies in the Runcam Mini FPV DVR board that I'm using, which just can't handle properly high TV line FPV cameras. So while it doesn't necessarily mean that all the previous tests were invalid, in order to prevent this kind of issues from happening in the future, whenever I'm going to test a new FPV camera, I'm going to include traditional analog footage using a video transmitter and perform this kind of test using this rig, which I'm going to improve. I'm going to wrap up this quick update video with the new side-by-side comparison of the Runcam Phoenix 2 and the Eagle 3 FPV cameras using this new rig, which as I mentioned before needs to be improved, as I need to come up with a better solution for aligning the screens of the Fetchak HDO2 goggles with the Foxeal 2 cameras. So now I'm going to show you the test, and by the way, a flight footage of the Runcam Eagle 3 is going to be up soon, so stay tuned. As always, I thank you for watching my video, I hope you enjoyed it and you find it useful. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments section down below. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up if you like this video, and consider subscribing to my channel and hitting the notifications bell if you're not already subscribed. See you in my next videos, and goodbye.